Hello and welcome, my friends. Welcome to my new moon healing series. In today's moonlight healing, we're going to embrace this beautiful divine feminine energy to support you in opening yourself up to some new pieces, whether that be new information, new opportunities, new abilities, just anything new. Let's be honest, our anxiety spikes the minute we talk about change or new. There's a lot of fear with the unknown. The new moon is going to support us in opening ourselves up to these aspects, information, and newness. Now, for my crystal friends, one of the crystals that I would recommend is Amazonite. This beautiful green stone works with your heart chakra. It helps to calm your brain, calm your nervous system, and helps to remove worries and fears. It also helps us to boost our self-confidence while dispelling any negative energy. Another great crystal would be azurite. This beautiful blue stone helps to clear stress, worry, grief, and sadness, while promoting understanding and awareness. Azurite will help emotionally balance yourself and prevent overreactions while alleviating those worries and nagging thoughts. Of course, one of my favorite crystals, labradorite. This is a highly protective stone that deflects negative energies. Labradorite can help remove fears and insecurities while calming that overactive mind and helping to balance out that imagination, as imagination can be both helpful and a hindrance. Now, if you have it at hand, charolite, this beautiful purple stone, helps with transformation, helps you to overcome fears, and supports you during a time of challenge. Charolite will also help to release deep-seated and irrational fears by helping you to think through them, rationalize them, rather than react. Smoky quartz is also an amazing option. It will help to ground you, neutralize any negative, toxic energies. This crystal encourages positive thought patterns while improving your ability to be tolerant to situations. Smoky quartz can ease feelings of depression, fear, and anxiety while helping you to understand the root causes of these emotions. And of course, as we're dealing with the new moon energy, moonstone is an amazing pick for crystals. Not only does it help to calm and balance your emotions, it helps you to embrace new beginnings, helps you to connect in with the lunar energy. And of course, clear quartz is always a go-to. This is a master healer and an energy amplifier. A clear quartz crystal can help you heal yourself emotionally while cleansing the body, mind, and soul. Now, please note, you don't need any crystals. They are a glittery, shimmery cherry on top. We are going to draw down the lunar energy to support us in embracing these new pieces. As we are dealing with new, I would highly recommend that you have your spiritual binder and pen close at hand. Throughout this healing, insight, wisdom, and aha can be shared with you. Having that pen and paper close at hand will support you in getting that information down and out before your ego helps you forget. And of course, before we get going, I need everybody to get comfortable. I would recommend that you have connection to the floor, as this helps you to open yourself up to this amazing lunar energy that we're about to draw down. Once you are comfortable, I want you to start to become aware of your breath. There is no right or wrong. Just become aware of how you're currently breathing. Now let's add some intention. I'd like you to start to take deep meditative breaths. And a breath should be a deep inhale through your nose, only if you can. Pause for a moment before having a balanced deep exhale through your mouth, again, only if you can. As you continue to take these deep meditative breaths, we're going to call in the lunar energy to support us with this healing. We call in the new moon energy to support us in breaking down our fears and resistance to the new aspects, opportunities, wisdom, and guidance that's being shared with us. We need the lunar energy to support us in embracing our emerging new aspects within ourselves and all around us. As the lunar energy joins you, I want you to see in your mind's eye a shimmering, silvery blue energy cascade gently into your space. You feel this energy wrap around you, comforting you, supporting you. With every deep inhale you take, the silvery blue energy cools and calms you. You feel this cooling energy head up towards your head. With every exhale, you feel the busyness burdens, the swirliness start to be released from you. This beautiful lunar energy cools and soothes your mind. The divine feminine energy helps to heal your mind from all that burden, from all that busyness. You feel this silvery blue energy start to infuse your mind with excitement and joy for learning new things. This beautiful shimmering silvery blue energy reinforces the connections between your third eye and your thinking center. The divine feminine wants to make sure you are open to all the information in all its formats. You feel this cooling, soothing energy amplify all around you. The divine feminine directs her energy towards your heart center while she continues to empower your brain. This moonlight energy embraces your heart, gently and fully. You feel the silvery blue energy soothe and calm your heart center. The divine feminine starts to gently heal your heart from the hurts, fears, and worries that have been locked within it. The divine feminine does not want to cause more fear. Rather, she wants to reduce the fears you are feeling. This soothing, shimmering, silvery blue energy continues to slowly release the pains, the fears that have been stored within you. The divine feminine then heals your heart center from where that hurt and fear was stored. This soothing, shimmering, silvery blue energy then infuses your heart center with its shimmering, silvery blue energy. The divine feminine ensures that your heart center is full of wonder and excitement. You feel this lunar energy amplify once again. The Divine Feminine uses this extra energy to search out your body, mind, and soul in all dimensions and in all realms. Any further fear and resistance that you have to embracing anything and everything new. When that fear and resistance is found, this shimmering silvery blue energy wraps around it, soothing it, calming it. Then the Divine Feminine starts to release that fear, that resistance from your body, your mind, and your soul. You feel the soothing, shimmering energy heal those areas that held that fear, that resistance. The Divine Feminine energy then empowers those areas with her soothing, shimmering, silvery blue energy. You feel this lunar energy wrap around you, embrace you more fully. The divine feminine energy helps to ensure that the excitement and enthusiasm are combined with a mind that is open to these new pieces. This lunar energy wants to ensure that not only do you embrace these new pieces, that you also are able to utilize them and bring them into your everyday. You feel this lunar energy start to empower you. The divine feminine wants to make sure that not only do you have the information to move forward, that you also have the energy to take that action. The divine feminine energy is now leaving it up to you to not only embrace these new pieces, but to incorporate them into your world. With one more big energetical hug, you feel the divine feminine energy gently cascade out of your space. I want to thank the lunar energy, that new moon energy, for joining us today and helping us to embrace all these new pieces, these aspects that are coming forward that we need. From the bottoms of our heart, we thank the moon and the divine feminine for all that she does for us and all that she will continue to do for us. Now I want to thank you for slowing down, taking that time, and spending this time with the new moon and myself. You should be proud of the work that you've done here. Give yourself a big hug for all that you've achieved. I want to thank you for joining me today and exploring this new moon energy. And I hope that you enjoy all of these new pieces. Until tomorrow, my friends.